How to fix Helldivers 2 failed to connect to server. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. If you are encountering the fail to connect to server issue in Helldivers 2, it could be due to several reasons, ranging from server-side problems to issues with your own network or system settings. Here is a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. Before troubleshooting on your end, make sure that the Helldivers 2 servers are operational. You can usually find this information on the game's developer website, official social media channels, or community forums. Sometimes the issue can be temporary and resolved by simply restarting the game and your gaming system, PC, console, or etc. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. If you are using a Wi-Fi connection, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection for better stability. If you are playing on PC, use the game platform to verify the integrity of game's file. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Likewise, disable crossplay. Players can also try disabling crossplay to fix the error. With the crossplay feature, players from different platforms can play together. While it's a good thing, it can cause severe server congestion. Therefore, disabling crossplay can be a good idea. Lastly, if you have tried everything and nothing is working, the last resort is to contact support. Luckily, developers have created a dedicated support team for the game, so you can reach out to them to resolve the issue. Following these steps, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Helldivers 2 fail to connect to server issue. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.